My mom's really late, you guys. It's taking her so long.
Yeah. The thing about that is she's probably dead.
What?
No, I'm serious. I'm just saying, statistically speaking, everyone's due for a car accident, and it's your mom's time.
Probably.
Why would you say that?
It's her time to go.
Come on! That's not cool, you guys!
Oh. Hey guys, look at this. That was the life leaving his mom.
That's enough!